I'm curious to know where he's going.
Oh, she's curious. The oysters were curious too, weren't they? Aye. And you remember what happened to them? Poor things.
Why? What did happen to the oyster?
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to do just like a really nice pink and summer look. I'm not really sure exactly what I'm going to do yet, but I'm just going to wing it. So if you guys want to see what I come up with, then just please keep on watching. For my eyebrows, I'm going to start off with this Hard Candy brow pencil. Now I'm going to go in with primer, and I'm using the NYX Bear With Me Jelly Primer. I just got this for my birthday. If you guys don't know, my birthday was this past Saturday, July 25th. Just turned 23. And my boyfriend actually bought me this. And now for a moisturizer, I'm gonna use Milk Makeup's Vegan Moisturizer. Again, boyfriend gave this to me for my birthday. Now for the summer, I do like to cream contour. So I'm just gonna grab BH Cosmetics. I believe this is a concealer wheel. Yes, and this is in light medium. I use the two darkest shades. I just kind of dip my brush in there and pretty much contour. And then after I do that, I like to grab a shade that's a little darker and just focus that like right in the middle. To kind of blend this all together, I like to grab a sponge and blend the edges. I would really loving this technique just because I've done this and I have noticed that it just looks a lot more natural and it just looks like your skin is like naturally contoured. So now for concealer, I like to use Elf's Hydrating Camo Concealer, the satin finish one. And then I like have to set my face because if not, it'll be a mess. But lately I've only been setting it in the places that I've highlighted. So pretty much like I've been avoiding like my contour areas. Now I'm gonna grab my BH Cosmetics Contour and Blush 2 palette, and we're gonna go in with this pink color. I'm gonna go in with like these two shades really lightly, and I'm gonna put that like in the crease. You're gonna just like that hot pink and blend that in there. Now you want to get this really light pink and put it on like the concealer. Right, now you want to go back to like that blending brush for like the crease color, and you want to start blending. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of purple. So the purple I'm adding is this one right here. I'm gonna take Kylie Jenner's Queen loose highlighter, and I'm gonna put that where like the pink is. And then after that, I'm gonna take Star Crush Minerals 24 karat rosette glitter and pop some of it. Easy. So yes, this is pretty much it. I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So Now for lips, I'm gonna take Kylie's 20 lip liner. And then I'm also gonna use LA Girl's lip liner in Bare. And now I'm gonna take Morphe's lip gloss in Freebird. And then I also forgot to show this, but for highlighter, I used Kylie's Queen Loose Highlighter. And I'm just gonna set this all with Evian facial spray. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you all enjoyed it and love it as much as I do. I think it's super pretty, and you don't have to even add like the sparkles or the glitter or whatever. If you want it to be a little more simple, just, you know, make it your own. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have an Instagram, a TikTok, and of course a YouTube channel, so you guys can just follow me all there. It's all the same handle. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.